Hello students, welcome to this module on refrigeration and air conditioning. In this session, we will know about checking the control circuit of variable speed air conditioners, inverter ACs.
Objectives. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to overview some common components of inverter air conditioning. Check the control circuit of inverter air conditioning. Understand the outdoor unit of inverter air conditioning. Understand the indoor unit of inverter air conditioning. Now, let us take a look at the tools, equipment, and consumables needed for checking the control circuit of variable speed air conditioners, inverter ACs. Tools, equipment, and consumables. Trainees tools kit, clamp meter, cutting plier, screwdriver, test lamp, voltmeter and ammeter, knife, inverter AC 1.5 ton. Now, let us see the preparations for checking the control circuit of variable speed air conditioners, inverter ACs. Overview of some common components of inverter air conditioners. In the circuit of an inverter air conditioner, several components and elements work together to manage the unit's operation effectively. Here is an overview of some common components of inverter air condition you might find. Control board is the brain of the air conditioner, managing various functions and communicating with sensors and other components. Inverter board adjusts the compressor speed and other settings for optimal comfort and energy efficiency. Inverter air conditioners use variable speed compressors. The control circuit manages the compressor speed based on cooling or heating needs. Capacitors and inductors are the components that help in managing and regulating the flow of electrical current, especially in the compressor and other vital circuits. Transformers are used to step up or step down voltage levels within the system, facilitating the control board's functioning and providing appropriate power to various components. Relays and contactors are the electromechanical switches that control the flow of electricity to various components like the compressor, fan motors, and more. Power supply unit, which supplies power to the control board and other components, often with different voltage outputs for different parts of the system. Circuitry may include filters to prevent electrical interference and protect against voltage fluctuations or surges. The control circuit manages the display panel and user interface, allowing users to set temperatures, modes, and other settings. Various wires and connectors link these components together, transmitting signals and power throughout the system. Now, let us see the process for checking the control circuit of variable speed air conditioners, inverter ACs. Task 1. Check control circuit of inverter AC outdoor unit. Checking the control circuit of an inverter air conditioner outdoor unit involves inspecting the electrical components and connections to ensure proper functionality. This includes assessing the wiring, control boards, sensors, capacitors, relays, and the compressor for any signs of damage, loose connections, or malfunction that may affect the unit's operation. Testing voltage levels and continuity across components is also part of diagnosing any issues within the control circuit. Task 2. Check control circuit of inverter AC indoor unit.
Examine
The control circuit of an inverter air conditioner indoor unit involves inspecting various electrical elements and connections to ensure optimal performance. This involves evaluating the wiring, control boards, sensors, indoor fan motor, thermistors, and other parts to identify any indications of damage, loose connections, or operational issues that could affect the unit's performance. It is essential to test voltage levels, continuity, and signals among these components to diagnose and resolve any problems within the indoor unit's control circuit. Recap.
In this topic, we came to know about overview of some common components of inverter air conditioners. Check the control circuit of the inverter air conditioner. The outdoor unit of the inverter air conditioner. The indoor unit of the inverter air conditioner. I hope you all understood the process of checking the control circuit of variable speed air conditioners, inverter ACs. Thank you, students, and let us meet in the next session. Goodbye.